Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a cartoon drawing app. First, open the application on your device. You will then select the New Project option to start your creative journey. Next, choose your preferred canvas dimensions. A common choice is a 16 by 9 aspect ratio, perfect for most video platforms. This initial setup takes only a few moments, preparing your digital workspace for animation. Get ready to bring your ideas to life with simple steps. Now, let's dive into drawing your first frame. On the left side, you'll find a comprehensive toolbar featuring various drawing instruments such as pens, brushes, and geometric shapes. Experiment with these to create your initial character or background elements. Remember to use the property panel, usually located on the right, to fine-tune details like line thickness, color, and opacity. This precision allows for detailed and expressive artwork, setting the foundation for your animation. Moving on to animation, the magic happens with keyframes. After drawing your first frame, add a new frame to your timeline, typically found at the bottom of the screen. Make small adjustments to your drawing in each subsequent frame to simulate movement. A crucial feature is onion skinning, which displays faint outlines of adjacent frames. This visual guide helps you achieve seamless and fluid transitions between your animated poses, making your characters truly come alive. Finally, it's time to share your animated masterpiece with the world. Navigate to the Export menu, usually found under the File option. Here, you can choose your preferred output format. Common choices include MP4 video or a GIF animation. Before finalizing, adjust settings like resolution, perhaps full high definition at 1092 by 1080 pixels, and frame rate, often 24 frames per second. This ensures your cartoon looks fantastic on any platform.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.